Hey, hey, you still got the hiccups? Rawr. Oh, the baby. What you doing, huh? Huh? Oh. This little buddy's little all-star, little slugger. Say hi, Grandma. Grandmas. Rawr, rawr, rawr. Oof. Arr. Who you looking at, man? Who you looking at? What are you looking at? What are you looking at, bud? You want to get up? We just took a walk, and now you want to go back outside, don't you? Huh? You want to go back outside? Ah? Arr. Oops. Oops. You still got the hiccups? Oh, yep. Hi, Asher. Hi, buddy. You're, you're too cool for school, little slugger. Look at his little dimple. You gotta smile for the camera. Smile for the camera. It's right there. Smile. Smile for the camera. No. All right, grandmas. We gotta go. Oh, no. Hey. Hey. Hey, who are you looking at? There you go. Oh, yeah. Huh? Did you see that dimple? Uh-oh. Try to put my finger in your mouth again. Ah, yawn. Yeah. Hi, Asher. Hi, buddy.